One other component related to users are the shortcuts. In Drupal 7, you could toggle this arrow here in order to show shortcuts. In Drupal 8, you click the star shortcut menu item. By default, add content is added to both, and then find content or all content is added too. If we click edit shortcuts, I'm going to do that for both sites, you can see that in Drupal 7 we're limited to a certain number of shortcuts, whereas in Drupal 8 we have an unlimited number. This is possible because of the responsiveness of the menu. So the way shortcuts work is that you group shortcuts into sets, and then individual users can decide which set of shortcuts they want to use. So if we go to the shortcuts, I'm going to go there on both sites, and we can add a shortcut set, call it new set, and I'll add a shortcut set in Drupal 8 as well. I'll click save. Now we can go back to our account page. I'm going to click admin and then edit profile, and then I'll click shortcuts, and here I can set which shortcuts I'd like to use. The only difference in Drupal 7, I'll click Hello Admin and then Shortcuts. In Drupal 7, you can create a new shortcut set instead of selecting one of the pre-made ones. So that's just been removed.